Okay, not only is there a special weather statement, there's also severe thunderstorm warning in effect. Could be getting hail, some wind, but, well, it's getting really ominous out here. It could start raining any minute. Okay, this is getting crazy now, guys. Okay? I don't know what to think of this. It's gonna pour soon, I think. I got, it said 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts, hail, and the warning specifically said, this very dangerous storm, it is coming in with whiteout conditions. Oh god, there's water blowing in here. Okay, this is bad. Look, it's water all. Okay, what the hell? What the hell, I should say. I mean, look at this. These windows are gonna shatter. Okay? This is not good. Okay? I'm trying to document this the best I can, but, I mean, it's just coming down like crazy. I mean, oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. It is fucking hail. It's hail. Okay? I don't know what to think. Okay. This is nuts. There's a total whiteout out there. And the rain is raging on. I mean, look at this. It's gotta be the craziest storm. This is the storm. They actually sent a message, 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. And I think this is the storm of the year. I haven't seen anything this bad so far. And I mean, it's just unbelievable. This should be a better view. Look at how hard it's pouring. Okay, I'm starting to get soaking wet. Gotta reclose this. Crap. Let me go to the front. Okay. Oh, look, that window's flooding. It's coming in. Oh, no. The floor's wet. I think it's leaking. I'm getting hail. Holy crap. It's hail. Okay? It's hail. It is hail. I don't know what to think. The floor's getting wet. I mean, this has got to be the most severe thing I've ever seen in my life. This is worse than what I had last June. This is worse. It's actually worse. Okay? Look, here we go. Here's a good view. Look at all that hail. I don't want it coming in, though. We got hail. This is actual, legit hail. And we're also having flash flooding. I have to document this, though. This is really crappy. Porch is completely wrecked. Wasn't even the same place, but, look at the, road down there. And it's all heading to the storm drain. That is some really bad, but here, I got a piece of hail. I can at least keep these, but look, it's still pouring, but porch was destroyed. It's all, and the flooding is not too